What is very unique about this lab is the stock ticker because it gives a barometer of what's going on in the actual real world.
The lab gives us the unique opportunity of taking the theoretical concepts we've learned in class and putting them into a real-world setting.
Our finance students are in great demand because we prepare them to hit the ground running. Many of the companies where our students intern are so impressed with their work quality and ethics that they offer them jobs almost a year before they even graduate.
I think the environment here at Stevenson really prepares us by giving us tools like this because they don't want us to just learn the material, they want us to understand it through practice.
We have a Financial Management Association on campus that has just recently started a student managed investment fund. They have a brokerage account with Charles Schwab where they will be able to actually invest real money into assets, and so this lab will be a space where they will be able to research those potential investment options and then actually execute the trades.
The best thing about the finance track here at Stevenson are the professors. They'll put their effort to enrich you and make sure you're ready to enter the real world.